My people, this is TMC TV News, and my name is Amo Aluki Ajakaye. I know I say they do it for TMC TV News, they bring it to you when contain mama, papa, brother, sister, everybody. And you go see say right now, I did on that rain, and they use my umbrella, and we tell that for Airport Road, for NPDC, when be Nigeria Petroleum Development Company. And for here, you go remember, say yesterday, we bring you a report about one protest when go on for here, when Edo Youths tell them, say, no, we no go agree, we must employ us, we must engage us, we must give us employment, so we no go allow, we no come here again. This one are day 2 of the protest, and you see, say, they don't use trailer block the road, and nobody from NPDC come up. You see, say, youths they front, they say they no go agree with anybody passing until NPDC answer them. This now, I'm looking at Jakaye, make una join us.
Personally, for me, I'm not really pleased. I'm actually a neighbor to this community, and I live around this NPDC. If you observe the neglect that is going on, if you came earlier, you see the rain and the erosion coming out from NPDC. It's affecting our movement, and the way our youth is being treated. It's not fair. I don't know anybody that work here. Every day when I wake up from my house, I see cars. Part of the youth you are seeing among the crowd, they are all qualified, they are graduates. BSc, MSc, I have MSc to be precise. I am not working here. People who are working here, we don't even know them. They are not from here. They are mostly Kogis, Aunsa, Akwa Ibom. What is happening to the Benin's? Nobody is talking about it. I think it's the right time that the government needs to take a holistic view about it. They should look on these issues. We are qualified. We deserve to be treated equally. We should be given a fair hearing. There should be a contract that binds them. Things should be done properly and orderly. I think this should be looked at.
I'm here today, because yesterday I saw it online how youth came over here, to ask for certain demands. And as I was, going by this place this morning, I decided to, stop by and give that solidarity support and see what, and inquire what's going on here. As a promoter of peace, I think that on the part of the NMPC, they should look, critically into what the youths are demanding for. And of course, it should be a peaceful demonstration and protest and everything. That's what I believe. I believe in negotiation, and I believe that the antidote to all forms of verbal and all forms of hostility is finding a trusting view and looking at the issues they have tabled so far from the interview I saw online yesterday. I think when I look at the average Benin youth, I feel so sorry and pity for them, because at age 40, the average Benin youth is still at his father's house, probably unmarried and with no real source of income, and it's really painful. I think it's something that the leadership have to start looking into, critically and urgently, because looking at, I think the Benin's are being swept away from their own city. They are losing grounds at the most rapid level ever. Looking at even the commercial sector of the society. Look, I've just left a place in Akbava where property was sold for 35 million. And this is a place where business is thriving, so fast and everything. I don't think that person that sold that property actually knows what he's doing. Looking at Benin generally, you look at a place like this, I actually don't know anybody who works here. And it's painful. And I think we have done so much for the society. I was in a team that built the National Assembly in terms of electrical installation. And I think you have a lot of amazing professional Benin youths, littered all over the place, probably without jobs and everything. So it's really painful. I think, the leadership of Edo has to start doing something urgently about it, because the Benin's are being shifted away from, their original, ancestral homes. Well, the management they are doing very great. Looking at their response to this protest, they have laid back. I think their gate is locked. Observing it, they are actually responding very fine. They have taken the very first necessary steps, to this resolution. And I think the next stage should be negotiation, calling these people to the table and negotiating further, for peace to reign. Because I'm a promoter of peace. That's what I feel.